so here we're going to go through the sine law example number 3. All right, so taking a look here, we have a boat. Okay, so we have a captain of a small boat. Actually, that boat looks kind of big. So delivering supplies to 2 lighthouses, so lighthouse A and lighthouse B, as shown. His compass indicates that the lighthouse to his left is located at north, so going north, and then 30 degrees here to the west. And the lighthouse to his right is located at north and then 50 degrees to the east, right here. So this angle is 50, this angle is 30, as it shows in our diagram. So we want to determine the compass direction he must follow when he leaves lighthouse B for lighthouse A. Okay, so we are going to want either this angle right here, so north then a certain amount of degrees west, or this angle right here. Okay, so either west and then however many degrees north. Okay, so once we get there, we will decide which way we want to say that, but we need to get there first. All right, now here's the thing. I know that this angle is 30, this angle is 50. I know that this whole angle is going to be 30 plus 50, okay, which is 80 degrees. Okay, so I have a triangle like this, where this is 80, this is 12. I know that this is 9 kilometers, and I'm going to want some sort of angle from over here. Okay, like that. So this is what we're going to find first. We're going to find this full angle B. All right, and I am going to be able to do that. So as soon as I have an angle and its opposite side, I know that I can use my sine law. All right, so my sine law is sine, let's just call this C. This is point C, so here's little c. Okay, this is point B, so here's little b. So sine of B over B equals sine of C over C. So an angle and its opposite side. So sine of B is what I'm looking for. So substituting in, and then little b is 9 kilometers equals sine of C. So C is 80 degrees, and side C across from it is 12 kilometers. Right, so cross multiplying, do it long way, or we can use our magic square to do it quick. Okay, so I will be dividing by the one across and multiplying the other two. Peanut. All right, so I will get sine B equals 9 times sine of 80 degrees divided by 12. Okay, remember when I'm solving for an angle, I will have to get rid of this sine, so I will have to be doing sine to the minus 1. So using that second function, sine to the minus 1 button in our calculator to find out what this angle actually is. All right, so we have sine of B. So B will be second function sine. And then 9 times sine of 80 divided by 12. So 9 times sine of 80 divided by 12 turns into 0.7386, so on and so forth. Second function sine that, and we end up getting that B equals 47.6127, so on and so forth degrees. Now, in order to answer my question, fully answer it, I need the compass direction that he follows when he leaves lighthouse B for lighthouse A. So I know if I just draw a little compass here, okay, that it's going to be north and then however many degrees to the west, or west however many degrees to the north is going to be this heading. All right, so figuring that out, I need to know a little bit more about what these angles are over here. So I know that this full angle right here is going to be 47.6 degrees. I just calculated that. Okay, so that whole thing is 47.6. And I need some more information. So what I can do is try to make some more triangles using my compass directions. So that's the hint for any compass questions. So use your compass directions, extend those lines to see if you can make any more triangles. And here's one. Okay, so if I extend my southern line from this compass direction and my east line from this one, I get a 90-degree triangle. Now, taking a look at what some of these angles are, I know that this angle from here, from my north to this line, is 50. So this angle right here is going to be complementary. So add up to 90 with this 50. So 90 minus 50 is 40 degrees. So this angle is 40. And since I have 180 degrees in a triangle, since this angle is 40, this angle is 90, subtract those from 180 and I get a 50 degrees right here. Okay, so now we know this angle, we know this full angle, and I want either this little one or this one. Okay, now I will be able to find this little one. Okay, how I can do that is I know that 50 plus this one will give me 90 right to my west line. So this will be 40 degrees. Oh man, that's hard to see. Just a sec. There, a bit better. 40 degrees. Okay, and I know that this whole one is 47.6. So to find how much this little one is right there, it will be 47.6 minus 40, which is 7.6 degrees. So now what I have is from my compass direction, this is 7.6 degrees. Okay, so I'm going out to the west and then going up 7.6 degrees to the north. So my heading will be west 7.6 degrees north. The other thing that you could have done is once you have this angle, you have your 47.6 degrees. So, or you have, okay, so this is 50. You have this is 47.6 degrees. You can calculate this angle. So here we have three angles on a line. So I can just do 180 minus 47.6 minus 50, and we end up getting, so 82.4 degrees. All right, so we go north, and then we go over 82.4 degrees to the west. So another answer that is exactly the same as this one but looks different is north 82.4 degrees west. Those are the same.